Hello friends, we are back with another video on good things to know. Children, do you get sneezes? I think the answer would be yes for everyone. But the thing to know is, why do we sneeze? Or what makes your nose sneeze? And the most interesting part is, how do you get a sneeze out of your nose? Let's get answers of all these questions. The nose is an extremely sensitive organ that regulates the air we breathe. It makes sure we breathe clean and healthy air. Air sometimes has tiny particles that are unsuitable for us. When we sneeze, our nostrils expel the irritating particles. Almost anything that can irritate the inside of your nose can start a sneeze. It could be dust, flowers, peppers, or pets. You can also sneeze a lot when you are suffering from cold. When you catch cold, in your nose, a virus has made a temporary home and is causing a lots of swelling and irritation. अगर हम कभी छींकते हैं तो ज़रूर हमारी नोज़ को कुछ अंदर से इरिटेट कर रहा होगा। जब हमारी नोज़ के अंदर कुछ टिकलिंग होती है तो हमारी बॉडी ब्रेन के एक स्पेशल पार्ट को मैसेज सेंड करती है, जिसे हम स्नीज सेंटर भी बोल सकते हैं। ये स्नीज सेंटर उन सभी मसल्स को तुरंत एक मैसेज सेंड करता है जो साथ मिलकर स्नीजिंग के प्रोसेस को कंप्लीट करती हैं।
So kids, hope you like this video. Thank you and bye-bye.